everyone. My name is Akanksha Singh and I got a perfect score of 720 in NEET 2020, and currently I am pursuing my first year MBBS from AIIMS Delhi, and today I am here to discuss my strategy, what I did special which helped me in securing such a good rank. So basically the first and the most important thing is revision of NCERT, studying NCERT and applying its knowledge in the exams. Everyone studies NCERT, but it's basically the way you study it what makes you different from others. Okay, so what special things I did was, first of all, I read it like many times, more than 10 times. So do give it a read like many times, and after that you should know how to apply that knowledge. Okay, so for that, Akash test series, like basically the mock tests, in the final test series you get mock tests in Akash, and they are the best thing through which you can test your knowledge, how you are doing, and which topics are weak, which topics you need to work upon, and what all things are there which are important. So like basically they interlink many topics, they interlink various topics from different chapters. So they test your wholesome knowledge as to how you are approaching a topic, how you are approaching a particular question. So basically the final test series, especially the mock tests, are very helpful. So do give them, don't miss any single test, and give as if it's the final test. Every test should be like as if it is your final test, so you should be serious about it. And after that, after giving the exams, like you should be analyzing the paper, because that is also very important. Okay, so analyze all your mistakes, make a mistake notebook in which you mention every single mistake you did in the paper and revise it again and again. After that, to revise NCERT and to do it more efficiently, you can make short notes out of it. You can make some sticky notes and you can just paste it on your walls, basically to revise in organic maybe, because it's a thing which you will forget mostly. So you need to revise it again and again, so you can just paste it on your wall so that you will look at it whenever you're like studying, whenever you're like free. So you can do that. And apart from giving tests, you should be very much focused on what all things you need to study and what all things you have to just leave. Like there are a lot of things, like there are so many things which are there in the syllabus, so you should be very much clear in your mind as to what you have to study and what you have to leave. So you should define those boundaries. And apart from it, give at least one paper every single day. I used to give one papers and many a times two papers, and trust me, it won't be easy, but it will be all worth it. So do give as many papers as you can every single day and analyze them. That's the best possible way to analyze what you are doing and how you will be doing the final paper. So with this, thank you so much and all the best for all your final tests.